Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use your gift card on Boohoo. So if you want to use a gift card on Boohoo, all you need to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, what you'll have to do is you can just need to log in into your Boohoo account, and then you need to select the product that you actually wish to purchase. So the only way to redeem your gift card is that you can use it as a way of payment method. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the product that I actually wish to buy. So I'm just gonna select a random one for the sake of this video. So let me go with this one. Once you have selected the product, go through the product to your bag. So here you can see that the product has already been added to the cart. Then you can just the cart icon and you can go to the checkout process, or you can just keep on shopping, whichever is convenient for you. So here you can see there's this option. After done entering the delivery address, then you need to go ahead and enter in your billing address. So as per the billing address, what you have to do is you'll be able to see an option as gift card. Then you need to go ahead and enter in the redemption code, and as soon as you're done entering the redemption code, just go ahead and tap on the apply button, and after that you'll be notified with a statement stating that you have successfully redeemed your gift card, and along with that you'll be notified that you've got certain amount of discount on the following purchase. You can use your gift card on Boohoo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.